How to use some function in Google Sheet like a pro. This is a guide on how to use some function in Google Sheets, along with some tips for using it more effectively. Basic usage of the sum function is used to calculate the total values within a range of cells. The syntax of the function is equal and sum and value 1, value 2. These are the cells, ranges, or numbers that you want to sum. Let's say you want to sum the values from cells A2 to B2. You need to input equal sum, then A2 and B2, or select with your mouse. As you can see, Google Sheet will suggest to apply formula to similar cells. This will help your work flow much faster. Let's say you want to sum the values from cell A1 to A10. You need to enter the following into the result cell. Equals sum A1, A10. Google Sheets will automatically sum all the values in the range from A1 to A10. Sum with multiple ranges. You can sum multiple different ranges at once. This formula sums both ranges A1 to A10 and B1 to B10. There are multiple ways to input cell range. You can choose from A1 to B10, or from A1 to A10 and B1 to B10. For example, equals sum A1 to A10, B1 to B10. Here are tips for using sum more efficiently. You can combine sum with other functions for more advanced calculations. For example, you can combine it with a function to sum only values that meet a certain condition. Here, I want to sum only cells that have value over 50,000. This function can have multiple use cases and save a lot of time if implemented correctly. Equals sum and if from A1 to B11, larger than 50,000. This formula sums all values greater than 50,000 in the range from A1 to B11. Get a quick glance. You can also have quick glance at all the min, max, total sum of the numbers without even have to use the formula. Simply by select the range you want, then look at the bottom right corner. It will display sum of the numbers, average numbers, min, max, and how many number in range. Follow my channel for more Google Sheet tutorial.